that's south, correct? This is north, that's south. So we just gotta watch this way over here, Keith, is where the storms I think are gonna come from. So just kind of help me keep an eye on that. I'll throw this while I got it out. If I catch something on this, we're gonna have a problem. This is my little flimsy rod. Yeah. I threw red on. You know what they say about red? I don't know why. Oh, there we go. Where? I think they're in the back, honestly. That's why we're gonna hit this stuff, but we're gonna get to the back because I think they're still gonna be back there. I gotta show you. I redid this. It's one of my best.
Oh yeah, that's
uni to
good.
uni. One of the best ones I've tied.
Oh,
Watch it break. It'll break, and I'll be like, "Son of a!" Jinx myself, but thought I did a pretty good job with this one. I'm telling you, I'm just ready for summer. I know I hate to say that. I'm over this spring. Oh, I got a fish. Yeah! Oh, oh boy! Oh, son! Oh, sonny Jim! Oh! I got a good one, dude. I don't even know what this is. It might be, but no, it's a good smallie, dude. Smallie, the big one, dude.
Oh, that's a good one.
Yeah.
Even that?
Oh, I don't know.
I don't think he's going anywhere. Even that?
Maybe this is a little flimsy rod. Come here, buddy. Oh gosh, it's a good fish, bro. How do they do it? Oh my gosh, it's a big one. It's a big one, dude. It's a big one.
Right over there.
Look how fat this fish is, bro. Look at that. This thing is like 3 pounds, bro.
Look at his back. His
Look.
back's funny.
He's freaking fat. She's a fat girl, buddy. She's a fat girl.
Good fish, dude.
She's a fat girl, man. Look at that, people. Look at this, people. Oh my gosh, she's very hooked. Look at this size of this fish. Oh, I'm hooked on my other line here.
Beautiful fish.
Can you, oh my gosh, dude, I'm hooked. Here, bro. Can you come up here and help me?
What do you need?
I'm hooked on this, thing here behind me. This bait is hooked in my jacket. It's not in me. Alright, so give me the... Oh my gosh, dude, this is a 4-pounder. This is a big one. Well, that's okay. You need to... I mean, like, is it that...
Stuck, dude. Like, bad. Like, all the way through.
Is it my jerk bait?
Yes.
You want the pliers? Is it gonna rip the jacket?
Yes.
Just get it out as good as you can. This fish is like 4 pounds, bro. It's not in me, so
I'll do the best I can, dude.
that's okay. I've had this jacket for freaking 20 years. Honestly.
I got one. The second one, dude, yeah.
Well, I can't believe I caught a 4-pounder. It's the biggest smallmouth I ever caught.
There you go.
Thank you.
Put that to the side.
Alright.
Get that fish in the water. Give him a little juice there.
I gotta weigh it really quick.
I'll say 3.5.
Ah, dude, he's fat. There's a fat girl. Ooh, ooh. It said 257 at first.
Look at her belly, man. You can tell she's been hanging out.
Two. I did. I never ever would have thought it. Never. Right over here somewhere.
Off the rock, right?
Somewhere over here, yeah. My my brother and sister-in-law buy me some random stuff for Christmas. Like they got me a pack of like trout lures and stuff, but they bought me several crankbaits. They just go to Sportsman's and like buy random stuff. And this is one of the lures that I got from them for Christmas. I have another Fritz side, but this is a junior, and I've never thrown them. So, well, welcome to the show, people. We might have a video. Got us a fish. Thanks for tuning in. We're at Mohave. Wind's blowing. We went south. It was like brutal. I'll show you some footage. 17 footers. Almost sunk the boat. We came north. Now my buddy Keith is in the back of the boat. He's gonna catch one in a minute. Tied on a few little things. Water is 58, 59 degrees, so just caught a smallie. She's pre-spawn. Hasn't spawned yet. Out here, close to the main lake. We're out of the wind up here. So, we'll see how the day goes. Excited. It's supposed to rain. It's gonna rain, I believe. It might get a little wet. Almost ruined my jacket, but Keith saved me. I laid down. Well, if it's got holes in it, it's not gonna be waterproof anymore. Right? How bad is it? Huh? What?
Not that big of holes.
Oh, they're not? You made it sound like the jacket was ruined.
Oh, man.
Ah, you did a good job?
Don't worry about that.
All right. What are you laughing at? Oh, that's what it sounded like. Well, we made a good decision to come up here. Well, now I have confidence that we're going to catch a few more doing this. Guess I'll be throwing this for a while. The scale said 220 or something like that, but not, I'm just telling you that fish was daggum 4 pounds. I don't know what a 4-pounder looks like, but that was a fat girl. Definitely had a belly. We let her go so she can go make some babies. Make some baby smallies. Some more smallies. Yeah. Yeah, I said if I do catch something on here, it's going to be a challenge because this is a little lightweight. Dude, I've had this rod, I can't even tell you, it's an old Walmart rod. And just out here, I don't know back home. It was one of the ones I brought with me when I moved here. But, I mean, I have caught so much stuff on this rod, dude. Big stripers. Like, I tie topwater lures on here. And I've caught crappie on here. I've caught stripers. I've caught big old smallmouth. Tons of smallmouth. It's just an old Shakespeare? I don't even know what it is. Yeah, Shakespeare, which is one of the, it's not a popular brand, but it's been around for years. Shakespeare micro, I think it's like a 6.6 micro light or something. Super flimsy. Oh my goodness. This ought to be a good cut right here. I mean, I don't think I've ever caught anything on a red crankbait. I know, right? I gotta slow down. Water's 59. Whew. Get your adrenaline going, man. Yeah. Nice one. Your buddy's up there. There's a lot of poop.
Yep. They're hungry. They're hungry.
Do you know what that is? Guess.
I have no idea.
Huh?
I have no idea.
I only know because my thing told me.
Looks like a little bird. That's the bird right there sticking out.
Yeah. Sorry you can fish. I'm just going to film the animals. See right above this one where all that poop is on the right? That's where the nest is. That is so cool. So cool. Oh man, that's so cool.